Where'd my cigar go? I just, I don't know where that went. Hey, well, that's unfortunate. Hi, I'm Patrick Kelley. I'm a distinguished architect at Zoom. I'm not a spokesman for Zoom. I just like to talk about really cool technology, and a lot of times that just deals with Zoom. So today is unlike no other time that I'm talking about cool technology. Zoom is the primary topic of conversation. And my favorite blogger, Teresa, you know I love Teresa, highlighted some of the cool things that just came out this week with the new version of Zoom. If you don't know how to get the new version of Zoom, go and update your client. It's really simple. It literally is right in the first screen. I'm going to tell you right there. Boom, done. Update client. Right there. That's all you got to do. That's really it. Update client. And it goes to what update are we on? 5.11.09. All right. So I always love that with Mac that you can do that stuff. Like you just do triple, look at that. The mouse is right in my nose. You can just do triple things with your, what is that called? Like three fingers, and you go up on the trackpad and you can minimize all the windows. Hey, something cool that is coming out, has come out, is an improved transcription, closed captioning within your Zoom product. Check this out. Go to more on your task, but your menu bar right here. Go to more and look at that. Right here, it has live transcripts. You can actually turn that on. You can assign it to somebody. You can also disable it and enable it right here. What that allows you to do is transcribe, obviously in closed captioning in real time. And we've actually improved the language content of transcription and closed captioning. So check that out. Obviously an accessibility issue for one use case. Two, I use it a lot of times when I'm maybe speaking with a global partner or a global customer, and maybe there's a little language discrepancy where I can't maybe understand the accent or they can't understand mine. Also, in loud places, I use it a lot too, where maybe I'm in a customer site and I can't quite hear the microphone speaker. I actually turn that on. I can read what's going on. So a lot of different use cases for why you would actually have that. So super cool right there. Hey, check this out too. By the way, I'm talking fast because I have 5 minutes for my next meetings at 11:30. Zoom chat. I actually talked about this earlier this week. This external user notice. So when you are chatting with somebody that is external to your team and or external to your channel, you can make sure you are careful with what content you share, so you can be acknowledged that they are external. So you share appropriately. Zoom phone, super cool. Live call transcriptions. So they're real time in English on Zoom phone. That's something that just came out. Also, they'll be able to control privacy options when you are voicemail forwarding. So allows you to obviously create voicemails, receive voicemails, but then send them on or forward them with special ACL permissions that only certain people can actually listen to those. I just talked about this, but look at all these supported languages we have, and there's going to be a lot more. I can tell you that right now. Like 12, I believe there's 12 available in 12 different languages. What else? What else we got going on? Let's go. Contact card. I think I showed you this earlier this week too. Is now you can hover over a profile picture in your chat, and you actually get their contact card. What's actually more important too is you can actually see what their local time zone is when you're setting up meetings. In the scheduling meetings for participants and attendees, you can make sure that they obviously can attend. I'm a global architect, so I get a lot of meetings at 8, 9 o'clock at night and 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. So I don't work 9 to 5. And that's always good to be cognizant of that. Zoom Whiteboard's getting a ton of features. Like there's so many new cool features on Zoom Whiteboard. If you haven't used Zoom Whiteboard yet, guess what? It's on your menu bar right here. You can use Zoom Whiteboard in your meeting live with co-authoring with all your attendees. What else we got going on? Zoom IQ for sales. I think I've talked about this a couple of times, but Zoom IQ is basically really good way to use real-time analytics and quality inside your Zoom meetings. You record your Zoom meetings. Zoom IQ can then analyze that meetings give you pointers and stuff for improving content, improving presentation. Zoom IQ is all about AI and really involving that into your sales cycle and increasing productivity and efficiency, and overall just increasing sales. I've talked about this too. I got 2 minutes. Zoom Contact Center. We recently released that earlier this year. As you can imagine, Zoom is the world leader in UCaaS innovation, and Zoom Contact Center is no different. There are so many new features that are coming out in Zoom Contact Center. Most important probably is displaying real-time analytics of your calls and then KPI thresholds to warn managers and supervisors of approaching unacceptable levels, queue length, queue time, that kind of stuff. Let's see, what else we got? Oh my gosh, Zoom events. Shameless plug, Zoomtopia coming November 8th and 9th. I will be speaking at Zoomtopia. I will be there at Zoomtopia, 8th, 9th, and 10th for partners as well. So shameless plug, if you do not attend in person and come up and say hi, I will be deeply offended. If you don't attend in person, you can attend virtually. I won't be offended if you don't say hi, but you can still say hi. All right, stay up to date with all your updates. Remember, update your Zoom client so you can get all these cool extra features.